Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary, and if you want to learn how to braid yarn box braids in 2 ways, continue watching. I will be using double knit 2 wools. You can buy 3 thick double knit wools like the one on the left in case 2 is not enough. I also used metal decorations costing 10 rands and rubber bands. The wool was 26 rand and in total everything was 22 rands. I also used True edge control or gel, and not forgetting combs, brushes and scissors. After picking the length and thickness of the yarn braids, I keep 1 strand of wool or yarn to measure the rest. Also note that the braids at the back and sides will be shorter than the rest, so I measured accordingly. For example, at the back I cut slightly short wool or yarn and longer wool in the front. Because I'm using a thick wool, I will be preparing 16 strands per braid. If it is thin, you might have to use more than 20 for thick braids. I will then cut the loops to make it easier to separate, and I made the last wool to be longer so that I can be able to tie at the end. So I already sectioned my hair to shorten the video. I will then ensure that my hair is well moisturized and then apply my shea butter to seal the moisture. I applied more especially on the hair tips because it won't be easy to moisturize the hair entirely after braiding. I will then apply the edge control to lay all the hair down and create a cleaner look. So while you are busy watching, please don't forget to like the video, comment and also subscribe. For the first method, which is the Nandrobene method, I will hold the wool in the middle and then place it on the hair and use one hand to rotate one side of the wool over the hair just once. Then I will have 3 strands after doing that, and then to ensure that all the strands are equal, I will distribute the wool accordingly. Then I will continue braiding until my desired length and ensuring that I hide my natural hair ends. Then when I'm done, I'm going to tie the hair ends. So after making sure that the length of the braid that I'm braiding is equal to the rest, I'll then tie the ends to make sure that the braid does not unravel. The second method I'll be using is the rubber band method. I will coat the rubber band with oil to prevent tangling with the hair and to make it easier to remove the hairstyle. I will then separate about 5 wool strands and then place the 5 wool strands in the middle of the natural hair after dividing it into 2. Then I will tie the natural hair with the rubber band until it's secure. I will then push the rubber band down by pulling the hair, and then I will take the remaining wool and place it over the hair and wool. Then I will have 3 strands to braid. While placing the wool, I'll make sure that it hides the rubber band, and I will continue braiding, making sure that I hide the hair ends. Then also ensure that the braids or the braid has the same length as the other braids. Then I will tie at the end to avoid unraveling of the wool. So here I'm just going to double check all the braids and make sure that the level is the same, or rather perfect for a bob per se. I will then secure the ends further with a metal piece as well as decorating. For this I used only one pack of small metal pieces which costed 10 rands. After measuring and comparing the length and tying the ends as well as decorating, I will then cut the excess wool or yarn. And this is how it looks like after cutting. These are the few styles I will be rocking. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and also subscribing. I will see you on the next one. Bye.